हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और मेरी वीडियोस एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लाइकिंग एंड सब्सक्राइबिंग माय previous video. I really got a good feedback and that keeps me going on. So today's video is about how to choose the right shampoo. So so I'm here outside in Salon Services where we get our professional products, and I'm gonna take you over there for review on how to choose a shampoo. So here we goes. Right, so here we are in the hair care section, and so we're just gonna choose one brand for choosing a shampoo, and my favorite brand is Vela. So you can see here, you could see this red color Vela. This is for fine and normal hair. So you can use this shampoo along with conditioner. So preferably if you're using shampoo of one brand, you should use conditioner of the same brand. This is for fine to normal hair, like who have normal hair, like thin hair. And again we have here shampoo for coarse hair. Coarse means color treated hair, color protection shampoo. So always use this if you color your hair twice a week or once a month, and you have mask available of the same brand. Then here comes a shampoo for dandruff hair. If you have dandruff, so you can use this shampoo. No, this is purifying, sorry. So this is anti-dandruff shampoo, and this is in Vela. Then you have got another one, shampoo for deep nourishing. So this is for very dry hair. So if you have really dry and coarse and very dry hair, like bleach के बाद काफी ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं, so you can use this shampoo along with this conditioner. There are so many masks available here as well. ठीक है. So I personally use Vela brand. It's really good, so I recommend this brand to use. So the second favorite brand for shampoo and mask is Osmo. So you can see this is for everyday shine shampoo, and use same conditioner along with it. And this one is for लाइफलेस हेयर मीन्स अगर आपके बाल ब्लीच्ड हैं, कलर ट्रीटेड हैं और बालों का बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा हशर है, सो आप ओस्मो ब्लू कलर का लें. एंड मेक श्योर इफ यू आर चूजिंग दिस शैम्पू यू चूज द सेम कंडीशनर. एंड दिस इज एन एलिमिनेटिंग मास्क. दिस इज रियली गुड फॉर ड्राई एंड डैमेज्ड हेयर. आई हैव पर्सनली यूज्ड दिस माई सेल्फ. देन दिस इज अ रिपेयर मास्क. It's only 11 pounds and you can use it for about a year. It lasts longer. Alright, another important thing I wanted to show is वॉल्यूम शैम्पू. सॉरी, आई फॉरगॉट टू शो यू दिस अर्लियर ऑन. सो वॉल्यूम बूस्ट शैम्पू कौन सा होता है? अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा पतले हैं और आपको उसको ज़रा हैवी लुक दिखानी है, सो दैट्स हाउ यू यूज़ दिस शैम्पू फॉर वॉल्यूम बूस्ट. इसके साथ आपके ये शैम्पू यूज़ करने से आपके बालों की लुक थोड़ी हैवी लगती है, इवन इफ यू हैव गॉट वेरी फाइन और थिन हेयर. सो दिस शैम्पू वुड मेक योर हेयर लुक अ बिट बेटर. So Wonderbar is another brand, and I'm going to show you a really important thing here, that they do the shampoo for scalp balance. अगर आपकी scalp जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive है and it's very dry, then you can use this shampoo, Wonderbar Head and Hair Shampoo, and it contains argan oil and aloe vera. So I would like to show here these big tubs of this is coconut shampoo, almond shampoo, herbal shampoo, argan shampoo. These are all for professional salon use. जब हम salon में काम करते हैं, we take these big bottles and use them in the salon, so they last longer. So the last important thing is this product. You must see this product. Neoxin. So what is this product? This is for thickening your hair. अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा पतले हैं और आपकी स्काल्प के से जो है ये यूज़ करने से आपकी स्काल्प से हेयर ग्रोथ होती है. So basically this is for more hair growth. So they have got number 1, number 2, number 3, 5. Sorry, this is number 4, 5 and 6. So we start using it from number 1. What does it do? It contains a cleanser, shampoo, and then treatment for scalp, and then there is another treatment to final treatment. Sorry, one is shampoo, then conditioner, and then you put on the treatment. You have to use this for about a month to see the results. So this is basically a scalp treatment, so you can produce more hair. And what does it do? It basically, what does it do? This increases the diameter of each hair strand. You can read here. So this is really good for making your hair thick. So I hope you liked my today's video at salon services for professional shampoo and conditioner, and I hope now you know how to choose your shampoo and conditioner. I will see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Neerms Beauty Hub. I will see you next time, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.